The World Wide Web Wanderer, developed by Matthew Gray in 1993, was the first robot on the web and was designed to track the web's growth. Initially, the Wanderer counted only web servers. But shortly after its introduction, it started to capture URLs as it went along. The database of captured URLs became the Wandex, the first web database. Matthew Gray's Wanderer created quite a controversy at the time, partially because early versions of the software ran rampant through the net and caused a noticeable netwide performance degradation. This degradation occurred because the Wanderer would access the same page hundreds of times a day. The Wanderer soon amended its ways. But the controversy over whether robots were good or bad for the Internet remained. Quote, in response to the Wanderer, Martin Costa created Archie-like indexing of the web, or ALIWEB, in October 1993. As the name implies, ALIWEB was the HTTP equivalent of Archie. And because of this, it is still unique in many ways. ALIWEB does not have a web searching robot. Instead, webmasters of participating sites post their own index information for each page they want listed. The advantage to this method is that users get to describe their own site. And a robot does not run about eating up net bandwidth. Unfortunately, the disadvantages of ALIWEB are more of a problem today. The primary disadvantage is that a special indexing file must be submitted. Most users do not understand how to create such a file, and therefore they do not submit their pages. This leads to a relatively small database, which meant that users are less likely to search ALIWEB than one of the large bot-based sites. This catch-22 has been somewhat offset by incorporating other databases into the ALIWEB search. But it still does not have the mass appeal of search engines such as Yahoo or Lycos.